Shake. At pag sinabi ko naman double T, sinking, kamay ang hindi ganyan, best friend. Okay. Kamay sa bewang, dalawa. And then upo. Sinking, and sinking. Okay, now, group yourselves into two. Group yourselves into two. Ayan. O, ganyan lang ang game natin, ha? So, practice pa lang yan. Okay, game na tayo. Form a big circle ulit. Big circle tayo. Dali. Okay. Game. The body shaking. Put your hands up. And shake. Ang bibo ni baby, ha? Shake at the body sinking. Put your hands on your waist. And sinking. Now, group yourselves into 4. Go! 4 lang. Ayan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ilan to? 1, 2, 3. Sino po? Pwede yung pinagkatulak ko. Okay lang yan, baby. Upo ka muna, baby. Upo ka muna. Ayan. Gila ka na ng prize. May consolation ka sa akin. Baby, Okay, game. Power big circle. Okay, big circle. The body shaking. Put your hands up. And shake. And the body sinking. Put your hands on your waist. And sinking. Now, group yourselves. Wala pa. Group yourselves into 8. Go! 8. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Ay, yung ibang kids sa'yo, upo lang, ha? Meron kayong consolation prize sa akin. Bibigay ko mamaya. Okay, form a big circle. Big circle. Asan na yung mga natanggal kanina? Asan yung natanggal? Ito si Kuya. Okay na, sit down ka muna. Asan ba yung isa? Ito, dalawa. Okay, big circle. Ay, isa pa. Baby, pero sumasali si baby, gumaganon din siya kanina. Okay, game! Big circle, dali, malaki, luwag kayo, luwag. Okay, game! The boat is shaking, put your hands up! And shake, and the boat is sinking, put your hands on your waist, and sinking. Now, group yourselves into 3, go! 3 lang, 3. Okay lang yan. Ata 1. Okay na si baby. Okay. Upo na. Okay, big circle dun sa 6. Okay, game. The body shaking. Put your hands up. And shake. And the body sinking. Put your hands on your waist. And sinking. Now, group yourselves into okay. Group yourselves into 4. 4 lang, 4. Hindi mo talaga nila sigla. Okay lang yan. Sige, upo na. Baby, upo. Okay. So ngayon, 4 kids na lang meron. Dito ka. Hiwa-hiwalay na tayo. Dito ka. Diyan na. Angat mo. Magpatalo ka daw. Halatang suki si mami sa Jollibee, Ilang beses nyo na po pumunta dito? Maraming beses na. Okay. Okay, game. Talikod lahat. Talikod. Okay. May twist po ang ating game. Si Best